Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO-friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need any help regarding blog post formatting and uploading, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can highlight a single word or phrase from a paragraph or headline in WordPress. I am going to my all post section and opening this post in Gutenberg blog editor. So this is a paragraph. I want to make nutrition fruit, these two words highlight with different color. How I can do it? Or health benefit of orange. So orange I want to give a orange color. Rest of the word should be same color, but only orange word I want to make different color. Firstly select that part you want to highlight with different color. As I want to highlight these two words, already I selected, and above you will get a arrow icon. This one I am talking about, this arrow icon. So click there. After that click on highlight. After that I want to make this color as a blue, so I gave that color, so color is changed. You see, rest of the word are black color and that two color is highlighting with blue color. That was on paragraph. I made separate color. Now I want to make a separate color in headline. This is heading 2 and I want to make orange as a orange color. So same, select that word or phrase, again click on highlight, then just click on orange. For example, I want to make this color. You see, this color is orange. I changed the only text color by using highlight, but if I want I can change the background color also by using highlight. How I can do it? For example, I am going to make this vitamin color background yellow. So select that color, again click on more and click highlight. After that, by default it's selecting the text, but we need to change the background color, so click on background. And I want to give this color as a yellow background, so I am changing the color to yellow. For example, this is the yellow color. Okay, you see this word is with background color. Even you can use this same technique for the headline also. Select nutritional power, click here, give highlight, click on background. After that, if you want you can make it say pinkish color, click the outside. You see color changed. Now if you want to remove those color, how you can remove those? Okay, let me show. So which word or which phrase you made the highlight, select that part, again click on more, again click on highlight, and you see there has an option for clear. This is the clear. So click on clear, then color will remove. And for the headline, same work, select, click on more, click on highlight and clear. If I want to remove the background color, what I have to do? Select that phrase or word, click on more, click on highlight and select background. After that click on clear. Background color will be clear. If I want to remove this background color, same, select this word, click on arrow icon. After that click on highlight. Next background, click on clear. This color is clear. So it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.